Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The Big Debate, we will be covering the section of grammar, in which we will learn about simple past tense. So, open up page number 36 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what is a past tense. The past tense can be used to talk about habitual or regular actions that took place in the past. We usually use time expressions to make it more clear that we are talking about a habit or a regular action. For example, he called his mother every Sunday. So we are telling that we are showing actually that it was a regular action that he used to call every Sunday. Okay? Now what you have to do is that you can either pause the video or stop it over here and read the rest of the examples by yourself for the better understanding of simple past tense. Once you are done reading with the sentences, let's come to an activity. Make few sentences using simple past tense on a loose sheet. I have made one for you, which is I sometimes walked home at lunchtime. Here, sometimes is referring to the habit or basically the habit that it was sometimes walking home at lunchtime. Similarly, make at least 5 sentences.